Okay, so this is the solution video to the problem that I posted last week. So we have the expression a equals 1 times 2 plus 3 times 4, and basically multiplication in pairs, and then there's an ending of plus 39. So those are the pairs. And there's also the expression b, which is uh, a single 1, and then the remaining are all pairs. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39. Those are all pairs. So what we want to find is the positive difference between the integers a and b, which means what we want to find is the absolute value of a minus b. And so when we want to find the absolute value of a minus b, we can write it out. So 1 times 2, and then 3 times 4, 5 times 6, and so on, all the way to 37 times 38, and then we'll leave the 39. Um, yeah, I'll just write times 1 because that makes things more convenient. And next we have 1, which is left alone, so that's 1 times 1. Um, 1 times 1 is 1, so you can write it like that. And now we have 2 times 3, 4 times 5. Let me rewrite these so it's more obvious. 3 times 2, 5 times 4, and so on, all the way to 37 times 36, and 39 times 38. So besides the 39, which is kind of special, the rest of them you can probably, okay, the 1 is also special. But for the rest of them, you can probably see the pattern. You factor out the first number. So say yeah, you factor this one out. So for this one, it would be 3 times, and then 4 minus 2, which is obviously equal to 2. And for the next one, it's 5 times 6 minus 4. And so that's also 2. So this will continue on, except for the 2 special cases. So here we'll write it out. This is equal to 2 times, and then 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 all the way to 37. And this is honestly kind of inconvenient because there's a formula for the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on, all the way to 2n plus 1 in parentheses. So what we want to do is add 1 to here. So um, let me see. So first off, we have, this is minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So plus 1. And we have 39 times negative 37. And yeah, so this is, as you notice, this part, more specifically, this part looks a lot like this, like the sum of odd numbers. So we'll try to turn it into this because this is like the amount of numbers in this term, and then square that, and then that's the sum of it. So we'll try to put that here. So 2, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on, all the way to plus 37. And this has a 2 now, and it was originally plus 1, but it became plus 2, so we'll have to minus 1 to make up for that. And now this part is equal. This part to here is equal. And we'll just leave the 39 times negative 37. All right. So now we take a look at how many terms there are here. So we add 1 to that and then divide it by 2. And so we get that there are 19 terms here. And so this is equal to 2 times 19 squared is 361, and this is minus 1, and then plus 39 times negative 37, which is 722, minus 1, and then minus 39 times 37, and so what we see here is we just calculated out. So 721 minus, and then 39 times 37. This is 3, and then 6, 7, 2, and 117, and that's 3, 4, 4, 1, and so 1443 minus 721 is 722. So the answer is 722 because it wants a positive difference.